What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to pick the right jeans for your body type. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Lunchbox, salute. Jeans. Everybody wears them, everybody needs them. However, we shouldn't all be wearing the same jeans. The jeans you select should be heavily influenced by your body type. So in today's video, I'm going to go through about 4 or 5 body types, give you some characteristics you can look for in jeans if you have that body type. However, I want to make sure I caution you. This is just a guideline. With any jeans, make sure you try them on. You got to make sure they fit you specifically. So without further ado, let's get into my guide on how to pick the right jeans for your body type. Now, the jean types we're going to talk about today for each category are going to be 1 or 2 of these or a combination. I'm talking about your slim fit, relaxed fit, loose fit, and athletic fit. Now, we're going to start off with your average build guy. Somebody around my size, not too big, not too small, kind of in the middle. You want jeans kind of like you. Just like you're not big or small, you want jeans not too loose, not too tight. Best fit probably for you is going to be slim or straight or the combination of the two. Now, I wear slim straight. But what you want to look for an average build guy, you want a mid-rise, meaning that the jeans fall a little bit below your natural waist. You want them to be straight through the hip and the thigh, and then you want the taper down at your leg to give you a nice slim silhouette. Now, next up, let's talk about my big guys. The first thing I want you to pay attention to, comfort. You don't want any slim or skinny fits. What you want to look for is relaxed or loose. You want something straight through the leg with a higher rise, and you want them to be loose in the leg and the seat. It's okay if you have a slight taper toward the ankle, but straight all the way up and down is going to be best for you. And bigger guys, please, comfort first, then style. Now, my big guys, you're mainly looking for a straight leg with a higher rise. That's much more flattering for your body type. Next up, let's talk about my skinny guys. Now, skinny guys, you want to look for either slim fit or skinny. Now, I want to push slim on you. To me, slim on skinny guys creates a better balance top and bottom. Now, I know skinny jeans have been a rage for a while, but they're kind of going out of style. And by getting slim fit, you're still getting a nice skinny look without the lack of movement and more comfort. However, if you still insist on skinny jeans, make sure they're not super skinny and at least you can move around in them. And for our 4th body type, let's talk about my athletic guys. Now, you guys are going to have the biggest challenge because your body types vary so much. But the main thing you want to do, you want jeans that are roomy in the thigh, especially if you don't skip leg day, and then you want them to taper down towards the ankle. However, I want to caution my athletic guys against wide leg jeans, not flattering. For you, you want to keep your eye out for maybe slim fit, relaxed, and of course, athletic fit. Now, for my athletic guys, it's even more important that you try your jeans on because of the varying body types and different cuts. So now that we talked about the body types, let me talk a little bit about short and tall guys. Now, for short guys, first, of course, accommodate for your body type first, then your height. Now, with you, you want to get the length right. Make sure they don't bunch, and if they do, take them to the tailor. Jeans or any pants that bunch are going to give the illusion that you're actually even shorter. And for my shorter guys, you might want to look for higher or medium rise jeans. These give the illusion of longer legs. Let's talk about my tall fellas. Once again, the length of the jeans are very important. Look for jeans that come in longer lengths. You might actually be able to find some all the way up to 36 inches. Now, for my tall and slender guys, I will push you towards a longer jean in a slim fit. For my tall and bigger guys or athletic guys, more of a roomier thigh that tapers down at the bottom, maybe a regular, classic, or athletic fit in a long. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how to pick the right jeans for your body type. So fellas, do me a favor in the comment section. Let us know your body type and the jeans that you found that best accommodate you. It'll probably help other guys watching. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern and I'll check you out tomorrow.